Best laptops for graphic design. 1. 2020 Apple MacBook Pro. Processor and speed. Apple designed M1 chip for a giant leap in CPU. 8-core processor delivering guaranteed 2.8x faster performance. Why it is the best laptop for graphic design. 8-core GPU delivering 5 times faster graphics for graphics-intensive games and apps. Its fly-through workflows speedy than ever. 16-core neural engine enables you for advanced machine learning performance. Storage. Built-in 8GB RAM and supports 256GB SSD. Fast app launching and fluid booting and works at a competitive speed. Display and camera. 13.3 inches Retina display, active cooling system, and 500 nits of brightness. Vibrant colors look natural, and image details are outstanding. This MacBook is also equipped with a FaceTime HD camera and an advanced image signal processor. Your videos and clicks will be more precise than before. Battery life. 17 hours lifetime in one complete charge without battery saver mode. Up to 20 hours life with battery saver mode. Most extended lifetime when compared with any other MacBook. Operating system. Mac OS. 2. Dell XPS 15 to 15-inch FHD+. Processor and speed. 5 GHz Apple C7 processor from Intel delivers fast and smooth performance. A built-in cooling system keeps your machine work longer. The processor is durable and requires very low maintenance. Why is it the best laptop for graphic design? Graphics card RAM size is 4 GB and has graphic coprocessor NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. Memory and storage. Built-in 16 GB DDR4, separate hard drive of 512 GB SSD, and additional 4 GB graphic card RAM. Display. Dolby Vision iSafe display technology and Display HDR 400 has been installed by the manufacturer. 1610 FHD Plus edge-to-edge display meaning 5% larger screen. Extra features include 62% larger touchpad, integrated quad speakers, Waves NX audio, and 5.6% smaller footprint. Battery life. Lithium-ion battery is included with the laptop, which delivers promising 23 hours of runtime. Operating system. Windows 10 Home. 3. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. Processor and speed. It is equipped with 9th generation 6-core Intel and Core i7 processor with 2.60 GHz speed. Why is it the best laptop for graphic design? Intel UHD graphics 630 and Radeon Pro 5300M graphics with GDDR6 memory. Now you can access your graphical game, design software, and content at high speed without any turbulence. Graphics quality is supreme, fast boot up, and much, much more. Storage. Ultrafast SSD DDR4 SDRAM and separate GDDR6 memory. Product dimensions. 9.68 by 14.9 by 0.64 inches. Display. Stunning True Tone technology and 16-inch Retina display for close-to-reality display. From vibrant colors to minor details, everything is very, very clear. Battery life. Up to 11 hours of battery life. Operating system. Mac OS by 10.0 Cheetah. Other features. 4 Thunderbolt 3, USB-C, ports and 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. Also, have a 6-speaker system with force-canceling woofers, and touch bar, and a Touch ID. 4. Acer Concept D7 Creator Laptop. Processor and speed. 9th generation Intel Core i7-9750H6 core processor with up to 4.5 GHz. Why is it the best laptop for graphic design? NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 RTX Studio and Max-Q design. A dedicated 8GB GDDR6 VRAM. Storage. 32GB DDR4 memory 2666 MHz and 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD. Display. 15.6 inches 4K Ultra HD IPS with a resolution of 3840 by 2160, and widescreen LED backlit IPS display. 400 nit brightness and 100% Adobe RGB color gamut. Battery life. 8 hours. Operating system. Windows 10 Professional 64-bit. Other features. Amber-colored backlit keyboard, up to 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet E3000 gigabit, double-shot Pro Wireless AC 1550-802. 11 AC. 5. Microsoft Surface Laptop 4, latest model. Processor and speed. 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor 70% more speed. It is fastest than ever before. Why is it the best laptop for graphic design? It is equipped with Iris Plus Graphics 950. Storage and memory. 8 GB LPDDR4 and 512 GB SSD. Display. Screen resolution of 2256 by 1504 pixels, split screen with multitasking facility. 720p HD front-facing camera. Quality pictures in the dark are a guarantee. Battery life. 11.5 hours straight with a single full charge. Operating system. Free upgrade to Windows 11. Other features. Omnisonic speakers for theater-like sound backed by immersive Dolby Atmos 6. Thin and elegant design, also very lightweight. 6. Lenovo ThinkPad P1 General 3. Processor and speed. 10th generation Intel Core i9-10885H processor with vPro 2.40 GHz, up to 5.30 GHz with Turbo Boost, 8 cores, 16 threads, 16 MB cache. Why is it the best laptop for graphic design? NVIDIA Quadro T2000 is perfect for graphic designers, professional workers, and gaming enthusiasts. Max Q 4 GB and 500 nits allow you to work on details without stressing your eyes. Memory and storage. 32 GB DDR4 storage. 1 TB SSD PCIe NVMe. Display and screen. Screen resolution is 1920 x 1080 and size is 15.6 inches FHD IPS. The screen type is anti-glare and Dolby Vision, HDR. Operating system. Windows 10 Pro. Dimensions and weight. 14.2 x 9.7 x 0.7, WXDXH, and 3.97 pounds. 7 GB Aero 17 HDR-XD. Processor and speed. 11th generation processor by Intel Core i7-11800H with a max speed of 2.3 GHz to 4.6 GHz. Why is it the best laptop for graphic design? It is equipped with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070, and the boost clock works at 1290 MHz. Also, include GPU 8GB GDDR6 and have max graphics power of 105W. It also supports NVIDIA DLSS for groundbreaking AI rendering. Storage and memory. 16 GB memory and supports up to 64 GB max. Hard drive storage of 1 TB SSD. Display and screen. 17.3, thin bezel UHD 4K screen with a resolution of 3840 x 2160. The display type is IPS anti-glare display LCD. Also includes VISA display HDR 400, 100% Adobe RGB. It is X-Rite certified for Pantone validated color accuracy and per unit factory calibrated. Dimensions of product. 15.6 W by 10.6 D by 0.85 H inch 99 W. Battery weight is 5.5 pounds. 8. Razer Blade 15 Advanced Gaming Laptop 2020. Processor and speed. Razer Blade 15 has an 8-core Intel Core i7-10875H of 10th gen processor, assurance of professional standard performance. It is extremely fast, up to 5.1 GHz max turbo. Why is it the best laptop for graphic design? The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Super with Max Q design, 8 GB GDDR6 VRAM. High clock and more cores with faster graphics. It is up to 25% faster compared to the original RTX 20 series. Memory and storage. DDR4 SDRAM and 16 GB additional storage. Display and screen. The 4K OLED touch display delivers blazing fast 1 millisecond response time and a wide color range covering 100% of the DCI-P3 space, while the HDR 400 True Black ensures deep blacks and vibrant colors. Operating system: Windows 10. Thanks for watching.